In this session, we're going to see how you can save your ScreenHaven images and the comments as a text file or movie picture file, that sort of thing. Okay, so let's come into ScreenHaven and let's have a look at a presentation here and pretend that we've been viewing this presentation. It's now over, it's full of all sorts of different pictures in there, and we've got text down the side here, lots of different comments and things, and we want to keep a record of that presentation for future. Now, there are a number of different ways that we can save the images. You may want to just grab one particular image, whatever it may be, and in that case, what you can do is you can click on the picture button here, or you can right click on the image itself and say save screen as JPEG. Now what that's going to do is save only the image that's currently viewed as a single picture on your computer. So let me do that now. Click on here and I'll just go save, and what it's going to do is it's going to give it the not only tell you who it's from, that it's ScreenHaven and whose computer it came from, but the particular date and time that the image was saved. The advantage of that is that it'll keep it in date order and time order should you save multiple pictures. Let's go save, and now we have that image on our desktop, and there it is there. Okay, next thing that we can do is if you want to save all the images that we had on our computer, what I'll do is I'll create a new folder on the desktop. Just call it pictures. It's got no items in there at the moment. And I'll come down here and choose pictures, or alternatively we can choose save all screens as JPEGs. So click on here, pictures, and it's asking us where do you want to put them. I'll choose in this location here, and it's actually created a new folder inside there. So here we go, and it's telling us that it's these images from this presentation, and it's giving the current date and time that it saved those images. The reason why it's giving us the date and time on this folder is just in case we'd save all the pictures multiple times for a presentation that's continuing on. And then again, for each of the images themselves, it's got the date and time that the image was actually taken. So you can move down here and see all of the images in their original format saved on the computer. Okay. The final thing that we can do, instead of just taking one picture or all the pictures that we've currently downloaded, we have a third option, which is to save a movie. Now what that's going to do is essentially take all of the images that we saved using in pictures as separate JPEGs, but convert them into one movie file. That may be more convenient for you to look after, rather than potentially thousands or at least hundreds of separate pictures. The way that we do that is we click on the movie button here, we choose where we want it to go, and it's going to create a movie on our desktop with each of the photographs half a second after one another. It's going to scale all of the images to 1024 by 768 so that they all fit into the same image here. So let me click on this and view it, and there we go. There's all the images one after the other as a single movie, ready for you to keep as a record of that presentation. Okay, so that is how we save our ScreenHaven presentation as a single picture if we want just one picture, all the pictures that we've downloaded, as well as a single movie with all the pictures in as a movie file. Okay, I hope you find that useful. Thank you, and goodbye.